Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a gift card on Steam. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address or your user ID and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to activate any gift card that you have into your account, then you can either click on Games at the top section and then click on Manage Gift and Guest Passes, as well as a Redeem a Steam Wallet Code option. And alternatively, you may also click on Steam Gift Cards at the left section and then scroll down and click on Redeem a Gift Card. Once you click on this button, you will be asked to enter the wallet code. In order to add your gift card, type in your wallet code and click on Continue, and then you will be asked to enter the gift card redeem code. Just type in your redeem code within the given section and then click on the Redeem button, and your gift card will now be redeemed within your Steam wallet right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem a gift card on Steam. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.